Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
This is pineapple fibers. It's being passed through the rollers for softening. We call it the mechanical softening machine.
No way. This is so cool.
It's just part of the process.
Grabe. Is this like, do you guys operate this all the time? Is this?
They are operating it. They are actually from a private company, so they are incubating their business here, and they have already adopted the technology. So this is part of the technology transfer.
That's so amazing. Grabe.
Sige po, iyan yun. Parang kita natin yung sound. It's a little.
No way.
Matt is our fence.
Hello, Matt. You're up. This is Matt, and what he's doing is testing little bamboo fibers from various areas of the country to see
We can make it into yarn.
to see if you can make it into yarns. Basically, they're doing all sorts of scientific tests to find out the quality and how it's growing, and it's how you can utilize it. So, go, Matt. You rock, Matt.
I think the variable is age. So he's testing now the effect of age in the quality of the bamboo.
Wow.
So that's why you can see different types, right? But these are only the samples he's testing.
And then do you publish all this stuff
Yes.
publicly?
Yes, yeah. It has to be published.
Wow.
It's public money. So
That's so cool. This is really, really interesting. I can't believe it, man. Grabe. Bamboo science to find out the weavability of the bamboo happening here. I didn't expect any of this. This is really cool. Just mind-blowing, the detail that goes into something like weaving fabrics or textiles or resources. Grabe.
it's part of the testing.
What is this? This is
Skein yarn.
It's silk. That's silk.
that's silk.
Yeah.
This is a scale.
Yeah. So it's part of the testing. They wanted to know how long it is, and what's the weight.
So hold up, to summarize, what is she doing?
Technically, she's in the process of evaluating the cocoons that she received. So she got the length, and then now she's weighing them, so she would know the weight.
Oh my gosh,
And then she would compute later on what's the fineness of it.
amazing. So what I'm wondering is, what is the purpose of that?
This one.
To know that?
This one.
What's the...
It shows you how good the cocoons are. Because the longer they are, the better. The finer and consistent they are, the better. So she has to do it every single time she receives cocoon.
Science. Go science. Good luck. Thank you.
You see, those are the cocoons.
Oh, these are, no way, these are the silk cocoons. These here?
So this one is one continuous filament.
No way.
And it's almost 1 kilometer long.
Oh my god.
So they have to check if it's... Yeah.
What the? Are we allowed to do, what? You can grab them?
I've never
Wait,
touched
this is
one.
a silk cocoon?
Yeah, it's a silk cocoon. I think this is from the
What?
families.
Oh, you can, what's that sound?
That's the moth inside.
What? Oh my gosh.
That's the moth.
No way.
So once you get the end of it and you
Yeah.
pull it, it's one continuous line.
So wait, if you just grab, oh, so you grab one end.
Yeah, and then there will be one end. They will try to find it, and then once they get the end, it will reel continuously. And it reaches
Interesting.
about 1 kilometer long.
I don't want to tell you much about this because I want to show you it probably in Misamis Oriental. Do they have this in Misor? Okay. So interesting. Those are technologies in science turning things into fiber. From fiber, you turn them into yarns. I'm going in.
you're looking at the team now. These are part of our R&D team.
So this is really, oh my gosh, look at cotton bamboo. That's cotton bamboo, diba?
Yeah.
Cotton bamboo. Really funky. No way. You can grab it? Can you? I always knew they manufactured snow in the Philippines. This is snow, right? Snow?
Yeah. Sorry?
Snow, right? Snow?
No,
I'm just joking. I like how I said, yeah, it's snow, it's snow. This is bamboo cotton.
So this is first process or the preparation process for the yarns. So we will convert this into yarn.
And this was bamboo.
Yeah, cotton, bamboo, cotton and bamboo.
Mixed together.
Yeah, mixed together.
wow.
It was manually mixed.
Wow.
And then it will pass to the opening and blending.
Okay, so all of those fibers are passing through this magic tube over to here. After the picking, which is what you just saw in that machine, there's something called the carding, which eliminates more fibers. It's like this roll, this kind of roll is gonna go into this machine, and oh, this is it.
Yeah, it will straighten the fibers.
Ah, sakto. So it becomes a lot more smooth. That's really cool, man.
Yeah, it will parallelization of the fibers.
Oh, man, that's really cool.
Process is the drawing. What's this called? Drawing.
Drawing, okay.
Drawing the process.
Oh man, really funky.
So further improvement of the uniformity of the sliver and strengthening the fiber.
Cool, man. Look at this. So interesting. I don't know how to describe this. Like, grabe. It makes me feel like it's like a cotton candy or something. You just want to like eat a big hunk of it. But this actually here, is this abaca? No.
Cotton.
This is cotton. Okay. This is cotton. In the first machine that you saw, that was bamboo being
Cotton
picked.
bamboo.
Cotton bamboo. Second machine was abaca.
Abaca.
And then mixed with cotton? Or?
Cotton.
Okay.
100%.
And this is 100% cotton.
Yeah.
Very cool. So all these different machines can run all different materials.
Okay. It will pass all the...
What's your name, bro?
AJ.
AJ. Sorry, so it was very loud in the other room. So this is mind blowing. It's really, it looks like a long piece of candy or something, but this is the fourth step. Ilang steps, bro?
6 to 8. It
6 to 8
depends on the
steps.
requirement.
Okay.
Sinulit na gagawin natin.
So this
Or the sizes.
is dahan-dahan. It's going slowly through.
Yes, later it will run fast.
Cool, man. Woo! Yeah! Nice one. We tried. Drawing is intense. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, Kuya. What's gonna happen here? What is
Here, so the sliver from the draw frame or the drone sliver will go now to the rollers of the roving machine.
Yep.
So we implied a twist on the sliver to improve its cohesiveness. Okay.
Cool, man. So this is step 6.
Yeah.
Or no, step 5.
Step 5.
Step 5. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Careful, sir. So this is the final product.
Ah, so it's going through. And that's what that is right there.
So as you can see, there is a twist applied in the on the roving.
Cool, man. So that's what's happening right there.
Yeah.
It's being spun around these things.
Yes. So it pull and then it twists. Okay.
Ah, so cool. So we're only using 3, but these could all be doing that.
Yeah.
Ah, so
We can do it.
really, really cool, man. Look at all of that. So that's all cotton, no?
Yeah, that's 100%.
And it's not yarn yet. What would you call this? What would you call this product here before?
Roving.
Roving. Oh, so it's just the roving, okay.
Yeah.
And that roving is going to turn into
Yarn.
yarn, which is down here. So
This is the conversion of the roving to yarn.
okay, what's the name of what do we call this?
Ring machine.
Ring frame machine. Get ready for it. We're gonna do. Oh my god, what's really gonna happen? Watch out, they're in. Back away from the machine. Back away. I'm excited. Here we go. With this machine running, if the yarn breaks, they have to adjust it and then make it back up and make it work again. Manong, ano pangalan mo po?
George.
Manong
Correct.
George.
Danny. Danny.
This is Daddy.
Yeah.
And like you just said, you know, this isn't like mixing a biscuit. This isn't like making a biscuit.
Yeah.
This is, you know, there's a lot of processes, 6 to 8 steps
Yeah.
to make yarn.
Yeah.
So everything here is making yarn.
Yes. Yes. And that yarn you have to convert into fabric through weaving or knitting.
So that's where the hand skill comes in as well.
Yes. We
Oh
can
my
show
God.
you the handloom weaving.
Oh, sakto. I've
After
seen that
you
many
create
times all over the country. This is really impressive. Question, ilang taon magtrabaho dito? Ilang years? Oh.
Yeah, I'm already 15 years.
Here,
But 13.
Ah, cool.
But I came from a private company. I worked there for about 21 years.
Okay, amazing.
Also in textile.
Wicked. And look at this. Textiles is fascinating. Look at. Oh my god. Grabe, man. I don't even know where to start anymore. This is. I feel like.
This is how we convert the fabric. This is for geotextile.
Oh.
Geotextile is used for soil erosion, control of soil erosion. So they put it on the soil, so until the plants are grown.
Ah, okay, sakto. So they're using this for.
But this is unfinished yet. This is just a raw material.
Very cool, man. Grabe. Hello. Kumusta? Ayos. Ano yan?
Abaka.
Oh, that's of course, abaca. This is really cool. Look at everywhere you look. I can't get over this. My brain is just exploding right now with so much stuff. And look at over here. Unreal. That's so cool. How you doing, Kuya? Ayos. What is it actually doing to the abaca? What's actually happening?
Right now, because our project is to create a geotextile, no? So what they're doing now is they're going to twine all the abaca fibers to create a one long rope.
Oh, okay.
So after that, we are going to convert na into geotextiles. Because we need the rope type material. It's not tying, actually it's twining, no? So when it turns, it creates a twist. When it twists, it hangs on this krill, and it goes to the
all bundled together. Okay, sakto.
So actually the twist, the turning of that rod, of that frame creates the twist.
And I noticed there's one thing you have to be really good at. You have to have ninja moves here with your feet, you know? Look at Kuya. He's got the ninja moves with his feet. Back and forth. Just feel the motion. You have to be a good dancer. Either a good dancer or a good ninja to do this. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya?
Andy.
Andy? Cool. Kuya Andy. So before my idol Andy gets to do his machine. Idol Sammy, yeah. It all starts with my idol Sammy, who puts this together, hands it off to idol Andy. And then what I want to know, where does this go? Where does it go next? Oh, it goes here, okay. Goes into weaving. And is this a hand weaving machine?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and I feel bad too. Kinsani, sino yan?
Charles, Idol Charles.
Idol Charles, what's up, bro? That's awesome. Oh, I'm having too much fun here.
Now we're doing the twisting. You see, there are two materials.
Yep.
After they have twined it, Idol Charles will do the twisting now.
Okay.
To combine the two to create a
Together.
bigger diameter material.
Sakto. So it's all coming together here. I was just thinking about this, how it's the year 2022, but you look at something like this and you think it's like a throwback technology, but it's because it's efficient and it does the job to make this easier to produce into fabric, no?
Yes.
Is that correct? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
And actually the people is using this, they don't want to use a very sophisticated machine. They are used to using this, so we just improve what they are using. So now it's more efficient for them.
I get it. So traditionally, some of these machines have been found around the country.
Yeah,
But you guys have
Mindanao.
just adapted. Oh, Mindanao, really down south. So they've just adapted them here. And then they got a few local engineers who are now my idols. Who are rocking them. Nice one. Way to go, bro. Okay. This is the part of production that you know.
Weaving.
Yes, the weaving.
This is the weaving master, Ate.
This is one of the reasons why we're here today. Storeen, as you would have known from previous videos, has some local weavers who are part of the community in Ragondon. That she has a social enterprise that works with them. So I guess after all that unique stuff we just saw, it comes down to hand weaving. So nice. There's actually a certificate now for weaving, or what's the...
It's already in promulgation stage. It's a national certificate for handloom weaving.
One thing I've noticed too, like I guess an example would be in Doreen's community, how when they first started utilizing the weave, I mean there's only 2 weavers. They're of an older age, and that means if nobody else was inspired to get involved with weaving, that tradition and culture of weaving would die out.
As they say, you know, the reason is not a lot of young guys are getting into weaving, right? You know, the basic question there, because their parents, they did not see their Lola or mothers get rich. So if they are poor, why would I weave, right? So we have to raise that level of awareness so that weaving becomes not only, for culture and craft, etc., but it's actually part of, it can sustain life, it can give you a decent life.
Secret. One second. Okay, secrets are gone. No more secrets. Okay. And I was gonna end the video, but you know what? I couldn't end it just yet because this is just classic science DOST. All of these things here, right here. What exactly is it again? What is it?
It's actually lignin from byproduct waste of pre-treating fibers.
So the basically the waste byproduct of all the fibrous material you saw earlier is taken by this scientist. Ano pangalan mo, Brad?
Ron.
Scientist Ron, put into these magic things and turned into possibly
Alternative leather.
Material for alternative leather.
a material for alternative leather.
Vegan.
And if that hasn't convinced you that the science and technology is more interesting than BGC High Street, I don't know what, okay? That is cool. My mind is blown. I'll see you in the future. For now, I need to sit and think about all the stuff I just got exposed to because it's mind-blowingly cool. Good job, man. Science rules.
Yeah.